All right, check this out. Bestarc reached out to me to see if I could review this welder. This is pretty cool. This does a lot of functions. You can MIG weld with it with gas. Let's see where you can add the gas if you have argon. You can also stick weld with it, which is pretty cool. You can use flux core wire with it. So if you don't have gas, use flux core, which is what we're going to try out. This is how we have this set up for what we're doing. It's pretty cool. There we go. For me, I'm actually better off using the flux core welding versus the shielding gas. I'm constantly welding outside, so if you're welding and it's windy out, which it is a lot of the times, then it's gonna just blow away. So I'm better off with flux core. All right, so definitely check this out. I really like it. It works well. I'm excited to do other projects with it. The MIG 145 works well. Definitely gonna practice a little bit more, but it's pretty cool. Thanks, Bestarc. Check it out.